what makes them such a unique species, and what made you want to study them for your PhD?
Yeah, so what makes them unique is pretty much their ability to withstand anoxic or hypoxic conditions, so low or no oxygen conditions. But that wasn't necessarily why I wanted to deal with them. I wanted to work with them because they are abundant and easy to collect. From a research funding perspective, that's always desirable traits. And on Heron Island, so this is a UQ facility, and I did my research through UQ as well. So this was an obvious place for me to come. And, you know, the accessibility of the reef flat and the accessibility of those animals and the abundance of them out on the reef flat made them like a perfect model for me to start this area of research. So yeah, they were the perfect model species for that. And there was enough background research on their biology. So I was looking at their olfaction, their sense of smell, and their pheromone use, or whether or not they even used pheromones. So for me to start at that point, I needed enough background biology information as well. You can't just pick any old species where no information is available to them, because you kind of need to find that background biological information first. And so there was enough information on epaulettes first for me to then start at this point. So yeah, so Heron Island was the perfect place to start, because there was also a little bit of abundance data for that species here as well. And they're so bloody cute. They're yeah, you see them at low tide and they'll walk along the rocks and they just look so dopey and yeah, they've got remarkable brain chemistry. So there's a team at JCU at the moment who's looking at you know, how heat stress is going to affect their survival. There's another team down at Griffith University as well, I think in conjunction with a team in New Zealand, who looks at their brain chemistry and how they can apply that in a medical sense as well. So they're a unique species of shark. And yeah, very cute and quite charismatic, I think. And they're a nice little learner shark for kids to get them into sharks.